welcome back to my channel, you guys. In today's video we are going to be doing a quick Tuesday cleanup. I had planned to do a all-day deep cleaning video of the whole house, but I just do not have it in me today. Even in part of this video you'll see that I kind of slowed down a little bit, and I was talking to you guys and saying how I just can't do it today. I'm just over it. But I ended up taking the sound out, so I'll just be doing voiceovers. But today we started in Mia's playroom, and I'm just putting away her tunnel because she doesn't really use it per se. So for now I'm just putting it away, and then if she asks to use it I'll open it back up. That thing is a pain in the butt to put away. I'm surprised I was able to do it pretty easily this time. I just tied it with the strings because I didn't know where the cover was. But yeah, I'm just trying to clean up her toy room, so that is where we are starting today. I am recording this on my iPad, so the angles are going to be very off. I prefer to record on my phone so that I can use my tripod, because with my iPad I don't have anything to set it on. But unfortunately, every time I use my phone, which is an Android phone, I always get a copyright claim. It never fails. I don't know what it is, because when I use my iPad and I use iMovie, I never have an issue. But when I use my Android phone, even if I've paid for the music, and I say, you know, this song belongs to so-and-so, I get copyrighted claimed every time. So I'm using my iPad, and I will probably continue to use my iPad until I can figure out what is up with the whole Android and recording videos with music thing. So yeah. So now I'm just in the kitchen doing some dishes. I only had a few in the sink that I needed to wash, so I did it by hand. right here is where you can tell I just wasn't feeling it anymore, because I was not lifting anything to get them counters clean. I was just cleaning around everything, and I was like, okay, I'm over this already. Now I'm in Mia's room just making the bed. Of course you can't really see what I'm doing because of the angle of the iPad, but I'm just making her bed. This is the part of the video where I started talking to you guys and kind of telling you that I was over it and this wasn't going to be the video that I had planned, and that I do apologize. But here I am just mopping the floors. Right here, I'm just talking about how the tile that is in the house is like this weird tile that I don't exactly know what it's made from, but it feels and looks like stone, and the mop kind of like gets stuck to it. It's very rough, like the texture is very rough, and to me it always looks dirty. Like I can never get it clean enough, even though it's not technically dirty. I think that's just the way it's supposed to look. But yeah, that's what I was talking about here. the other living room mopping. I had to sit you guys in a chair. You can't really see what I'm doing. This video is a hot mess. I might actually just delete it, but I sat here to edit it and I took this long, so maybe I'll keep it up. I don't know. We'll see. And that is it for this video, you guys. Again, I do apologize for not posting a whole house deep cleaning video. That will either be later during the week or probably not until next Tuesday. It depends on what kind of mood I'm in. Again, I do apologize, but at least a video went up. And I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, send me some comments if you have any tips or anything as far as YouTube goes. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.